Okay, together we're going to test whether your favorite Marvel hero can indeed bring order to a chaotic world. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to spell out this phrase that we've been using, Marvel card magic, and then we'll just mix the cards thoroughly. Okay, so Marvel card magic, MARVELCARDMAGIC, Marvel card magic. Very good. Okay. So to kind of mix the cards further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deal them out into piles, and I need you as the spectator to tell me when to stop dealing. Now, since you're not here, I'm going to use this six-sided die to make this decision, but if you were here, I'd have you make it. So how many cards should I deal out first? 2. So I'll go 1, 2. Very good. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many next? 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 2 again. 1, 2. I'm going off camera. And then 1. I only have 1 left. Okay. So we'll stack those. Now you have to realize that if you were here, I would have you actually tell me like when to stop. I would deal. You say stop, and I deal more. Stop. Okay. Why don't we do one more of those? So you see that? It's a 2. 1, 2. We're getting a lot of 2s here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3. I ran out of cards. That's as far as I can go. So let's just go ahead and stack these. We'll go in opposite order, which helps to really mix these cards. Okay, so whatever these cards are, they're kind of mixed and beyond the knowledge of anyone, actually. Okay, so what we're going to do is, since we're dealing with Marvel heroes and not the villains probably will mess things up because we're testing whether these characters can bring order to a chaotic world. Well, that's not what villains do. Villains make chaos out of an orderly world. Okay, so we're going to stick with heroes here. So I'm going to spell out Marvel heroes, and I want you to be thinking about who is your favorite Marvel hero. Okay, so Marvel heroes, M-A-R-V-E-L, Marvel, H-E-R-O-E-S, Marvel heroes. I'll just drop those on top, and then we'll stack from right to left. Okay, so who is your favorite Marvel hero? He's green? Oh, I would guess it's the Incredible Hulk. Is that right? Okay, Incredible Hulk. So I-N-C-R-E-D-I-B-L-E, Incredible, H-U-L-K, Incredible Hulk. Okay. So, to finish, I'm simply going to spell your favorite, and then I'll deal out cards for the name of your favorite Marvel hero. So, your favorite, Y-O-U-R, your, F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. Okay, your favorite. So, your favorite Marvel hero is, oh yeah, the green guy, Incredible Hulk. I-N-C-R-E-D-I-B-L-E, Incredible, H-U-L-K. Look at that. Look at that. Was the Incredible Hulk able to bring order to a chaotic world? I would say he has. Okay. These are all in order. The only kind of funny transition is right here, but there's only 13 card values. So I guess the best we can do to make these cards orderly is to just put them in order after the king and start with an ace again. Very, very good. The Incredible Hulk is indeed incredible. Okay, so thank you for watching.